Hi guys, I'm about to go take some pictures and eat dinner with my friends. So this is what I'm wearing. Isn't it so cute? It's by Nicole Linnell, and I just wanted something cute and red for Valentine's Day. So yeah, let's go get some good food. It's Taco Tuesday. I just finished my finance class and I'm ready to go have a margarita. So let's go.
It'll continue to do this, but in order to do that, it's going to let some of the bottom layer drop, and that's how you're going to.
That is pretty. What is it? The color? Oh yeah, that's what I like about it. It's so pretty. Get it!
Spicy. Super healthy, and then it's gotta be the sriracha up there.
Yeah, I think it is. I like spicy though.
Yeah, a balance. Exactly. That's all I fucking add. A balance, please. I don't know if I'm begging nobody. I don't care enough. If I can tell you that you turn me on, like, you know what? You're gonna be sad.
So I look like shit. I've done nothing but work and do schoolwork for the past week. My nail is literally about to fly off. Look at this. Disgusting. I need to make my bed. I just need like a whole self-care moment, okay? I have like 4 lashes on this eye, maybe 2 on this one. My hair needs to get done. I feel quite ugly. And yeah, we're about to get this whole thing together. We're about to get it all the way together because I can't deal with it anymore. And I'm going to Miami on Friday and I'm ready to become a bad bitch. Yeah, we're gonna go get nails, lashes, and hair done. I'm actually really excited because I'm getting braids. I've never gotten braids before. So yeah, let's go turn into a bad bitch.
Cheers. This is so cute. I'm gonna take a picture before I drink it. Is that egg whites? You're right, you're right. It's tasty. Lasagna? Yeah, you can have some of that.
I don't completely feel like a bad bitch yet because I got my nails done and I do not like them. Like, they just did not come out how I wanted them to, but I did get my lashes done. And honestly, I've been wearing my glasses all day, so I don't even really know what they look like. I know that they look good though. They look good. And I just can't wait to get all dolled up. Okay, so I went to Target and got hella stuff. Got some wine. This is like my favorite wine. Why do I feel like it's like not focused? Like, please. I got this cute bathing suit. Like, look at how cute this is. This little nude bathing suit. So I got this from Target. And then I just got like a bunch of travel essentials from Miami. Definitely got some wipes because I'm that person that wipes down the plane seats, okay? Also, look what I got. Kitchen Envy. I ordered Jai Nice. I don't know if that's how you say her name, but Jai, I think that's how you say it. Jai Nice. I ordered her book. So here's how it comes. The Kitchen Envy Cookbook. It has a nice little sleeve. It's been opened though. Like this is like already ripped. And then this is like all damaged and stuff. So yeah, this has very clearly been torn off and repurposed. But we'll see. Well, the book is nicely packaged in like cellophane wrap, so that's nice to know that it hasn't been tampered with. But the outside box has. Oops. Ooh, I'm so excited. This is like the only cookbook I've ever purchased that I like want to use. Cuisine and Tings. Shrimp tacos, salmon tacos, elote. Is that how you say that? I have no idea. Ooh, black-eyed peas, cornbread. Casseroles. Ooh. Salmon cheesesteak. Spicy salmon bites. Buffalo cauliflower. No waste but taste. I love that. That's so cute. No waste but taste. Yes, ma'am. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Seafood boil. Oh my goodness. If she got a rice and peas recipe. Rice and peas. I need this recipe because every recipe I try, it don't come out right. So I'm really excited about this. Okay, back to the bathing suits. I got these cover-ups, this green mesh and this white mesh. And then I got this navy blue. I got this super cute bathing suit with chains on it. Like, wow. Very on brand. Here's the bottoms. And I got this cute, like, abstract blue triangle bikini top and bottom. And then this is so fire. Look at how cute this is. This little bathing suit. With the top. And the top is different. Like, I love how it has this double strap. But the strap is not adjustable, but it fits me. So this is super cute. And it came with this matching little cover up for it. It goes like this, actually. Came with this matching little cover up for it. So I can't wait to wear all of these and this one in Miami. I need to try this one on though, because you know you can't try stuff on at Target. And I'm that girl that has big hoo-haws and gets a small because I'm not wearing a large, because that would just cover up way too much, and I hate tan lines. But I also want to show you this bag that I got from Zara. Look how cute this is. It was just giving me like nude fall in Miami, okay? Because everyone was doing nudes for fall. And I just wanted like a cute crossbody and like a big easy clutch that I could take with me to brunch and dinner and the beach and things. So it's like a leathery material. So I don't mind taking this down to the beach. And it's super duper cute. So I'm about to pour myself a glass of wine and go to bed, and we'll try again. Feeling like a bad bitch tomorrow. I'm sure I will after I get my hair done. Hey y'all. So it's like a couple days later, and clearly I got my braids done. I'm so excited. So I've never done anything like this to my hair before. Hold on. I've never done anything like this to my hair before, and I'm here for it. It's so cute. It's definitely like tropical Miami vibes. Yeah, I'm about to go get a pedicure now. So yeah, I'm gonna try a new place. I'm gonna try a new place around the corner from my house. I'm still trying to use these braids. Like, it's very different for me. I feel like I look too white for these braids. Like, I need a tan ASAP. Good thing I'm going to Miami today. But yeah, so I'm gonna go try this new spot for my toes, and I'll check in with you guys later. I just got my toes done. They look good. I tried this new spot around the corner from my house, but I can't wait for you guys to see. So, wow, I literally have my entire underwear just sitting there. I think I might wear this on Valentine's Day for my little Valentine's Day shoot. I don't know. We'll see. I'm just gonna pack it anyways. This is kind of stressing me out because I literally I'm missing 3 packages. I'm missing a package from Matte Brand, a package from Misguided, and tons of packages for my brand. So I'm just like, wow. Okay, I guess. I'm definitely not gonna be able to fit my camera bag. I'm gonna have to take all this out. And just put it in my bag. Like, I refuse to take a check bag because I've seen so many people talk about their bags getting stolen or whatever, them getting lost, and I am not here for that. I'm really not here for that. That's not what I came for. And I have to be able to fit my camera in the top. Okay, y'all, we got 1 bag packed. Now I just gotta finish packing my clothes. Hi guys, we just got to Miami. We checked in our room. Say hi, Kimmy. Hi. Hello. This is our room. Nothing special. Just a little something for staying. We're about to go get some Cuban food and hit the liquor store. So we're gonna have some fun tomorrow though. Huh?
Well, we having fun tonight too.
Well, we just got here. We gotta get some liquor in our system.
Yeah, we seem sleepy.
We are sleepy. I think we was all sleeping on the plane, right?
What's up, my sister?
Oh, she ain't sleep. I was out too. Damn tired, but I'm gonna go eat. I'll talk to you guys later. Thought she was about to go. Hey y'all. I know. We on our way to the liquor store because they wasn't trying to let us get nothing yesterday. No, they better not. Shit funny. What? Oh, her on her skates.
Her little dollar contract.
Yeah. It's lit over here. I think I've been to that spot, that social club.
Really?
Mm-hmm. The green one.
Oh, with the green.
Yeah.
Oh, you just gotta tie it. Where you get this one? Shot time. I got these from Shein. It's so cute. It is cute. I love it. Yeah, I can't wait to put this on. Oof.
would not let you through security. They'd be like, no shirt, no shoes, no service.
We're going to the beach. It's so pretty out here. Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. We just got to the beach. We need some food ASAP though. I'm so hungry. It's so pretty. We gonna get out here early tomorrow so we can get our little Galentine's Day shoot going.
I'll be out here at 5 in the morning.
The sun ain't even out yet. Like
You
niggas.
might come out here. We can secure our little area. Work out.
Yeah, we could.
How long we have it though? That's the thing.
Yeah, we can stay out here as long as we want. I'm pretty sure they would let us. You know.
It's like, what if we pay for it in the morning, we work out in there, and then we go and change and come back down?
I'm sure they would let us.
I don't know.
It's a good name.
Thank you. A lot of people don't know that my actual name is Audrey Rose. Like, when people see me on Instagram, they're like, is that your real name?
I would be like, yes.
Yes.
I know a lot of people
Probably
do
ask
this
what's
for
your middle
clout,
name.
They don't even ask that. They think it's a stage name, but it is my middle
So
name.
people can be like, well, who's the girl with the orange?
Meet my friends. Say hi, guys.
What's up?
Hi.
You want to get a picture now?
Yeah, probably. I can edit that shit out. Like, don't even.